Hello and welcome to a video from the Essence of Clarity. My name is Venus Straver. So a little bit of an update on my minimalist journey, minimalist game. So I followed a game that was promoted by Joshua Fields Millburn and Ryan Nicodemus, if I pronounce it correctly, which are called the Minimalist. And one of them actually packed up his whole house and then only took out what he needed. He did that for 3 weeks and then he realized he didn't need that much and he actually disposed of a lot of things in different ways. So I have actually moved, and the way that I've approached the move was I basically keep everything in boxes unless I need it. So everything was very clearly labeled and we knew where to find things. So the first week was very frustrating because every half an hour or so I realized I needed something that was still in a box. Second week, a little bit like, oh, I need some key things. Third week, I went through the whole week without needing anything from a box. And I have at least 20-30 boxes still unpacked. So because I'm in a family situation, I cannot basically say, oh, we're not even going to look at the boxes and I'm going to just dispose of them. I'm going to hold on to the boxes a little bit longer. So I've done this 3-week exercise. I actually want any of the boxes that are still in the house go to the garage. The garage is a box mess, and if you've seen any of my previous videos you probably know that I like an organized garage, but so be it. And I just want to take a little bit longer. I'm not really sure whether it's going to be weeks, months or a full year, and then we revisit, but I want to basically give everyone in the family a chance to kind of go, do I really need or want an item that we have packed up that we had in the other house, and then take that out. So really take our time and feel very comfortable if we decide to part ways. Another thing, a reason why I'm not going to do the full 3 weeks is because we have seasons, and if I only hold on to all my summer gear, I'm going to be freezing in winter, and vice versa, I'm going to be very hot if I only keep my winter gear. So I just want to have that flexibility and feel the space. Another thing that was really interesting this final week is that, or basically these 3 weeks, but this week you really don't need much. So some of the key things that I need is my desk, my clothes, and something to read. Then you do need a fair amount of toiletries. I actually realized how incredible many duplications we have, both in toiletries and cleaning supplies. We need kitchen things, but not as much as we think. So there's still a couple of boxes of things with kitchen supplies not required. Yeah, it's simple, it's easy to clean. It is really relaxing to do this exercise after week 2. So I strongly recommend that if you are about to move, to try this exercise, to put everything in boxes and to only take out what you need, because it does really give you a chance to pause, to reflect and go, I don't need much. And how does that feel for me, for my family, my lifestyle? It is so much easier to clean, to keep up to date with things, and it's also really interesting to see how quickly things creep into your life, but because hardly anything is unpacked, you actually see those things very quickly, so you address them quick. So thank you for watching this video. I'll give you a whole range of other updates on minimalism and how that ties in with organizing and decluttering, so stay tuned.